Welcome to our analysis of Databox, a comprehensive business analytics platform. Databox allows you to pull all your data into one convenient place. You can connect your cloud services, spreadsheets, databases, and even track custom data. The platform is designed to help you stay up to date with your performance metrics, keeping you informed and prepared for decision making. Let's delve into Databox's key features. It offers data source integration, which means it can connect with a vast array of platforms and services. You can create custom dashboards and scorecards, providing a unique view of your data. Databox also supports real-time updates, alerts, and goal tracking, ensuring you never miss crucial changes. Lastly, it offers data calculations, allowing you to derive insights directly from your dashboard. Databox offers a range of pricing plans to suit different needs. There's a free plan with basic features, suitable for startups or small businesses. The paid plans start from $49 per month and go up to $249 for the business plan. These offer more advanced features like additional data sources, users, and dashboards. They also provide premium support and faster data refresh rates. Databox is an excellent tool for businesses that need to monitor various data sources regularly. It's ideal for marketing teams tracking campaigns across different platforms, sales teams monitoring pipeline and performance, and executives who need a high-level view of company performance. Databox is also useful for data analysts who want to streamline their reporting process. Databox's advantages include its extensive integration capabilities, helping you to consolidate data from many sources. The customization options let you create dashboards that fit your needs perfectly. Real-time updates and alerts ensure you're always aware of significant changes. Plus, Databox's mobile app lets you access your data anywhere, anytime. Despite its strengths, Databox has a few limitations. Its learning curve can be steep for non-technical users, and while it supports many integrations, there might be some obscure platforms it doesn't cover. Additionally, while the free plan is a great starting point, to unlock Databox's full potential, you'll need to invest in a paid plan. Databox is a powerful analytics tool with extensive integration capabilities and customizable dashboards. It's ideal for businesses that need to monitor data from various sources. However, it may require a learning curve and investment in a paid plan to unlock its full potential. In conclusion, Databox is a robust, comprehensive analytics platform that can significantly streamline your data monitoring and reporting. It's a versatile tool that can cater to various business needs, despite its few limitations. If you're looking for a centralized, real-time data tracking solution, Databox is certainly worth considering. Thank you for watching our analysis of Databox. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. We appreciate your support. Until next time.